Hello YouTube, this is Kodarim Setso, and today we are going to learn how to turn our image into a transparent one. And as a developer, what I needed as a transparent image the most are logos and icons. So we are going to search for logo here, and we are going to type in Sony logo transparent. We're going to set our eyes on this one and go ahead and download this one. And as you can see, we were fooled. It's not transparent at all. This is a background and it's not transparent. And to turn it into a transparent image, we only need really is to select this image and go to image trace, and it will do the magic. Now we need to go ahead and press on expand. When we do that, it will turn the image into vectors. If we go to layers, expand the group, we can see that this one and this one are the backgrounds. So if we go ahead and delete them, we are only left with the Sony logo. And to make sure that it's now transparent, go ahead and press on transparent grid in ruler and grids. It's now transparent. Now if we want to change the artboard to be around the logo itself, we only need to click on artboard tool, then double click on this one. Now if I press on Alt Ctrl Shift S, it will export the image. But be aware that you need to check on transparency. This will make the image transparent. If we uncheck it, it will make the background matte on white. So click on transparency, then click on save. Sony, save. And now if we go ahead and look back, it's transparent. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.